So welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go ahead, we've got a GLA250 and we're going to go ahead and put the, this is the reverse window wiper motor on the hatch. We're going to put that back in. So we removed it previously and we're going to put it back in. We've got 3 bolts to be put on here. These are of a numbered 10 millimeter. Tighten them up. Put your electrics back together, and that's how you replace your window regulator motor on your rear hatch of your GLA250. After replacing the motor, and remember these splines can wear out as well as the splines inside here. And we had a mark orientation to try to do our best to put this back where it came off from, because we want our wiper to not be hanging off. And that's right about right there. And then take the 13 millimeter nut and you just tighten it up. Hold the arm down so it doesn't move back and forth. Just make it good and tight. And put that plastic clip back on. And that's how you put your the arm back on your GLA250. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.